Imagine a point on the planet almost 2,700 kilometers away from any landmass, a point where sometimes the closest humans are the astronauts aboard the International Space Station. A point whose seabed is the largest graveyard of space objects in the world. This point isn't science fiction, it really exists. It's located in the Pacific Ocean and it's called Point Nemo. Welcome to your daily dose of enlightenment. You've landed on Knowledge Planet where curiosity thrives and the enigmatic is revealed daily. We delve into a variety of topics to amaze you. Guys, our goal of reaching 50k subscribers isn't far off, and we want to try to achieve it by the summer. So, lend us a hand. If you're not subscribed, just a click. It's a simple gesture for you, but it's a great help for us. Thank you very much. According to NASA, any object re-entering the Earth's atmosphere, such as a satellite, must not have a probability greater than 0.1% of hitting a human being. The sky above our heads is now full of satellites and debris. There are thousands of them of all sizes belonging to nations, primarily the United States, and private companies like SpaceX. Moreover, there are 2 space stations. Most of these objects, sooner or later, due to Earth's gravitational attraction, will plummet onto the planet and in absolute terms could cause damage and casualties. However, scientists are aware of this, so they have thought ahead on how to avoid collisions with inhabited areas. They plan to make many of these objects fall into the place farthest from any landmass to minimize any collateral damage. This place is located in the Pacific Ocean and is called Point Nemo, in honor of Captain Nemo from Jules Verne's novel, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea. It's currently the largest graveyard for space vehicles and objects in the world. Between 1971 and 2016, between 200 and 300 were deliberately crashed in the area, and the number will continue to grow. Most of them are Russian, but there are also American, European, Japanese objects, and those from private entities. In particular, the Russian space station, Mir, weighing 142 tons, was crashed here, and the same fate awaits the International Space Station, ISS, when it is decommissioned toward the end of this decade. Now, making the ISS fall here won't be easy. It will require very advanced calculations, given its weight of almost 500 tons, the size of a football field, and the fact that during the fall, it will disintegrate into debris of various sizes. Speaking of the ISS, think that if you were at Point Nemo, sometimes the astronauts aboard the ISS would be the closest humans to you. But how is this possible? Let's take a step back. Point Nemo is located in the southern Pacific Ocean, equidistant from the 3 nearest points of land approximately 2,688 kilometers away. To the north, it's Pandora Island, an uninhabited atoll belonging to the Pitcairn Islands. To the northeast, it's Motunui Island near Rapa Nui, Easter Island. And to the south, it's Maher Island off the coast of Antarctica. The precise coordinates of Point Nemo are 45°52'6", S 123°26 W, first pinpointed in 1992 by Croatian-Canadian engineer Hrvoje Lukatela, a geodesy graduate. He used data from the Digital World Map and confirmed it in 2022, using OpenStreetMap and Google Maps as a base. Not that Point Nemo didn't exist or was unknown before these calculations. Since 1971, objects have been deliberately dropped in the area. But in 1992, Lukatela precisely officially pinpointed this specific location. So, we've seen where Point Nemo is and what the nearest landmasses are. What specific use do we humans make of it? We'll answer this with one last question. Beyond the wreckage of space objects, what's in the waters of this place? Are there any animals or anything else? Well, not much. Point Nemo is located in the middle of the South Pacific Gyre, which is an oceanic current in vortex shape. The vast area at the center of this current, where Point Nemo falls, is isolated from the influx of nutrient-rich water masses. Therefore, food doesn't reach this area. The scarcity of food means that marine life on the surface is very rare, as well as the formation of biological deposits on the ocean floor, 2.5 kilometers deep. So, a particularly complex ecosystem doesn't form here. However, there are exceptions. In some points on the seabed, hydrothermal phenomena occur, linked to the proximity with the chain of submarine volcanoes born along the East Pacific Rise. Warm water and chemical elements leaking from the Earth's crust in these particular points attract microorganisms and specific organisms. Among these, one of the most iconic and famous is the so-called Yeti crab, discovered only in 2005. It was named this way because its claws are covered with bristles resembling fur. Guys, I hope you liked this video and that you found it interesting. What other places would you like me to tell you about? Write it down in the comments below. With that said, guys, thank you so much for watching this video until the end. We'll see you in the next video, right here on Knowledge Planet, the power of knowledge. Don't forget to watch the previous episodes and stay tuned for the upcoming ones. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe now. And one more thing, that little bell icon, it's your ticket to never missing a beat. Click it, and you'll be the first to know when fresh content hits the airwaves. Consider us more than just a channel. We're a growing community, a family of knowledge seekers. We're on a mission, inviting you to join our growing family. We need you. Subscribe, become part of our community, share your thoughts, interact with us. A like or even dislike all count. Stay tuned, stay curious, and together we'll continue to explore the vast expanse of Knowledge Planet. Goodbye.